Hello everybody, Cindy Greenway here, Editor-in-Chief at LowMarketing.com, and today we're talking about Hummingbird. There's been a lot of buzz out there talking about Hummingbird and this new Google algorithm and what does it mean and all these technical terms, and so very excited to have Tanner Jones here, the Marketing Director at ConsultWebs, and he's going to demystify this for us a little bit. So Tanner, welcome to our session here today.
Thank you, Cindy, and thanks for having me.
You're welcome. So tell us, what is Hummingbird? What is this new algorithm that Google has introduced, and what does it mean to small and solo law firms out there?
Yeah, sure. Hummingbird was coined by Google because it's said to be precise and fast. The overhaul of the search engines came about over 30 days ago, potentially a couple months ago. So really, it's nothing new as far as how your website may be ranked today. So if you haven't seen your website drop in the search results, or if you haven't seen traffic or conversions drop, then you've very likely come out unscathed from this Hummingbird update. But the Hummingbird it's an overhaul of the search engines. It's not like the typical algorithmic update like your Panda and Ping one over the last couple of years. So it's a complete overhaul of how Google is analyzing keywords within search and how they're delivering the search results.
Okay. So can you share with us how this impacts the small and solo law firms out there? Do they need to be doing anything differently? Do they need to be connecting with the developers on their sites and so on? Like what does it mean for us?
Right. That's a good question, Cindy. There's no difference. Over the last couple of years, SEO and any web consultant has been encouraging law firms and businesses to produce really good content, really good information and resources for your prospective clients. And it's the same today as it was a year or two ago, and it will continue to be that way in the years to come. So the goal is really to be able to continue to provide those resources. The biggest impact with this Hummingbird update is the long tail search and how Google is reading search. Google now offers, through the Hummingbird update, voice search. And through voice search, people are typically more detailed in their search. And so that's why Google has had to overhaul their search engine in order to be able to cater to that extended search. So being able to really focus on that long tail search, writing about FAQs, doing videos about FAQs, those commonly asked questions, that's really how you're going to benefit from this update.
Okay, so what I'm hearing from you, Tanner, then, is that this doesn't really affect us in a way that we have been affected in previous algorithms, and that, as long as we're focusing on good content and, various kinds of content, the content marketing structure, I guess, of our firms, that, we'll be okay. So is that true? That's accurate?
That's exactly right. So more focus on those long tail keywords, and that's where you're going to see the best value.
Great. Well, Tanner, thank you so much. That is so, for me, I was reading some of that and I'm thinking, oh no, I don't know if I understand this right. So it's really great to sort of hear the simple version and I get that from you. So thanks again for sharing that with us. And just want to make sure that I share with people where they can find you online. I understand ConsultWebs.com, and your Twitter is
Tanner Jones _CW.
Great. All right. Thanks so much, Tanner. We'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, Cindy.